Hello and welcome back to Hugo's FS. So this is our weekly outlook. So in this week we'll be covering GBP USD, GBP JPY, gold, and additional two pairs which will be trending this week: AUD USD and NZD USD. So let's start with GBP USD. So this is a monthly time frame. On this monthly time frame, when you look at this chart, you will see that it's a downtrend. But technically speaking, this is no longer a downtrend. Let me prove it to you. Let's connect our trend line from that swing high to the second touch, this place. You see that this resistance trend line is broken, number one. Secondly, when this market was coming down, after creating this lower high, it created a lower low here and came up here. You see this green candle. This is another lower high. The reason I call it a lower high is because you notice these retracements that happen here. It's three red candle, and that is the rule. When you have three red candles closing below each other, it is considered as a retracement. So you have three red candles, one, two, three, all of them closing below each other. So this is lower high. Okay. So in the monthly time frame, it's supposed to create equal low or lower low, but it didn't do that. Rather, it created a higher low. After creating this higher low, it came and bridged this lower high first. Second one, bridge this trend line and close above it, signifying that the market want to push up in a monthly time frame. So let's go to weekly time frame to see the direction of weekly time frame. So this weekly time frame, let me remove this trend line. But you notice that weekly time frame market is uptrend, is creating higher highs and higher lows. All this peak are the higher high, while the trough are the higher lows. You can see it. All this peak, this is the trough, this is the peak, this is the trough, this is another peak. So you're coming back to create a higher low at this zone. So now monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish. Let's go to daily time frame to see how we can take all this bullish advantage. So in a daily time frame, let me remove this monthly trend line. In a daily time frame, the market is temporarily bearish. Why did I say this thing? The market was moving up and creating higher high and higher low. The peak is a higher high. The trough here is a higher low, creating higher high and a higher low. Okay, but suddenly market came and breached this higher low, signifying change in direction of this uptrend. Okay, but there's another thing that will be holding this initial move not to hold. Let me put up this trend line. You see this trend line is what is holding this market price now from going to full bearish. If price in the next coming days breach this place and close like this, then I will stop buying from this pair. I will consider selling these pairs on a daily time frame, because number one is that this place is breached. The higher low has been taken out. If higher low is taken out and the support trend line is also taken out, that means the price will definitely come down to this zone. That's how these things work in most cases. So, but our bias for now is how to buy this pair. So we'll go for 4-hour time frame and look for how to position to buy this pair next week. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour time frame. So we're waiting for this price action to place out. The price is currently sitting here. Price might come down here. So what our interest is, let price bridge above this zone. If price bridge above this zone, wait for a retracement down to this yellow bar, and we'll take our buy. Our confirmation. Either you use bullish engulfing candle on a 4-hour time frame, or you move down to your 5 minutes time frame. Use change of character and buy this pair. So this is how we'll be trading a GBP USD. Let me give you our buying tool so that we see everything happening live. This is how we buy it. So the condition that will make us to buy GBP USD coming week is breaking and closing above this lower high. Okay, if price come down here, we'll buy. Then the only thing that will make the setup invalid is that if price refuse to break above this lower and rather break below this lower low, that means this setup is invalid. We'll start looking for a sell trade in GBP USD. So let's go down to our next pair online. Our next pair online is GBP JPY. So starting on a weekly time frame, so that I won't waste your time, GBP JPY is what? Bullish. Okay, you can see it higher high here and created a higher low. It's moving to come and create equal high or a new higher high. So let's go to daily time frame and see how we take the opportunity. So in a daily time frame, if you have not watched my last week weekly outlook, go and watch that video. I told you guys, market close on Friday. This candle, 1, 2, 3, 4. This red candle was where market closed on Friday, and I released a video last week Saturday. I said allow price to break and close above this yellow zone. If price break and close above it, then wait for a retracement into the yellow zone and you buy. And I said it last week. If you not watch that video, go and watch that video. So that's exactly what happened. I'm currently in this thread with my communities. I made this call on on Friday. When I say, you can see it's our Telegram group. I say buy GBP US GBP JPY. Use proper risk management. This is swing trade. Okay. After about after about 3 hours, the price move up in about 35 pips in profit. So if you're not joining this my Telegram group, I'll tell you to use this opportunity to do what? Join our Telegram group. Because last week I dropped two signals. The second signal, let me show you the second signal. This is the second signal I dropped last week. That was on NZD USD. And then smash our take profit. You can see it here. We bought at this zone, and we make our back 50 pips on this thread alone. So if not join our free Telegram channel, do yourself good and join with us. Okay. So on GBP JPY, we will allow this price action to play out. Our next profit target is 2005. That's our profit target. But our first TP is at 198,500. That's our first TP. 198,500. So we'll keep monitoring this pair and see how it can go. So the next pair online is gold, SAUAZ. On a weekly time frame, gold is very bullish. So let's go to daily time frame and see how we can take advantage of this pair. So in a daily time frame, I dropped a video last week saying that we should allow price to do what? Price was here last week, this green candle, to come down to this zone before we buy. Unfortunately, price has not come back for a retest. So we are still hoping and waiting for price to come back at this yellow zone. Once we see price at this yellow zone, that's the way we trade gold. Our entry confirmation on gold is different from other pairs. Gold will use 5 minutes to do what? To enter it. You can use 5 minutes or 15 minutes. What we normally look out for is change of character. When price come back to this yellow zone, please go down to a smaller time frame and look for what change of character. Once you see a change of character, you buy. Everybody knows what I mean by it. Those that have been watching my YouTube channel knows this I'm saying. Let me explain it. If price trade down to this zone, okay, on a lower time frame and take a lower high, take it out. This place is now is a lower high. Then allow it to come down here. Use any PDRA. You can use the fair value gap. That's one I normally use. You can use fair value gap on a lower time frame and do what? And buy your trade towards this direction. So this is it for gold. But our pair that we're monitoring with close eye this week is on AUD You see this pair. This is monthly time frame. What are you seeing on a monthly time frame? Downtrend. The market is moving down, creating lower low and lower highs. And you can see the resistance trend line. This, let me remove it and draw it before you so that you understand what I mean. This resistance trend line connect one high, the peak, and the second peak. This second peak, then you stretch your line down. This is how to draw your trend line. Okay, so this is the third touch. This is the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. I know the third touch of trend line does the magic. So when price came to this third touch, you can see the price is forming bullish, though we are saying month is not yet ended. Okay, but for monthly time frame, AUD is bearish. So let's go to weekly time frame and see how we can take the advantage. So this weekly time frame, you notice that in this weekly time frame, this price is kind of in a ranging market in a weekly time frame. Why do I say so? Now, this is weekly resistance level here. And price came here, touch the first one, drop. Second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and it's dropping. And this is weekly support level. First touch, second touch, this is the third touch, and this price is dropping down to this place. And how do you trade range? One market is a ranging market. How do you trade it? You buy from the resistance. Sorry, you sell from the resistance and you buy from the support. And currently, this price is moving from this resistance to this support. So let's go to daily time frame and see how I can join this movement. So AUD on a daily time frame, you can see that we have taken out. Daily time frame has position for a downtrend after taking out this lower high. Okay, so wait for price to come and test back this lower high and we'll continue selling. Now, this is daily time frame. Let me show you the tricks. There's a video I dropped on Wednesday. Most my recently video that I dropped where I explain how to make money daily and easily trading bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle. Apply that approach. This red candle now is bearish engulfing candle. So allow price to come back to this. You see the peak of this, the wick of this green candle. Let price come inside that place, this zone. Okay. Then go down to your 5 minutes time frame. This is how you take this trade. You don't need bullish engulfing candle on this. Just go down to 5 minutes time frame and wait for price to slide into this place. Okay. This is what we do. Once price breach and take out the higher low, thereby causing a change of character, that's when you sell this price. If you've not watched that video, kindly go and watch it, because personally I'll be trading this pair coming this week for a sale. So this is how you take AUD USD. Go down to 5 minutes time frame, look for a change of character and do what? And position yourself for a sell. I will call out this price. I will call it out on my free Telegram channel. If you have not joined free Telegram channel, kindly do yourself good. Go and join, because last week I dropped two signals there and two of them did well. The NZD USD have closed that one. GBP JPY I'm still holding it. So this week that is coming, I will still drop one or two signals. And this pair, if price action come here and deliver, I will drop it. So this is how we trade AUD USD coming this week. So next pair on the list is NZD USD. The NZD USD is similar to AUD USD, because if you look at it from the monthly time frame, you will see that it's pointing down. Okay, so let's go to weekly time frame on NZD USD. So this weekly time frame, the same price action that is happening on AUD USD is happening here. Buy from support, which is this zone, and sell from the resistance, which is from this zone. You notice that the same thing in a weekly time frame. This yellow bar is our weekly resistance level. We have tested this region so many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And anytime it came test it, he used bullish engulfing candle to drop. It happened here, number 1. It happened here, number 2. It's happening here again, number 3, with bullish engulfing candle. So this price is moving where? Down to this place at 0.58500 region. That's where this price is coming down. So let's see how we can take advantage of NZD USD and set to this destination. So this daily time frame, what do you need to do? The same approach. Just allow price to come back to this zone. Allow price to come back to this zone that I'm marking out now. If price come down to this zone, okay, go to 5 minutes time frame. Look for what? Change of character in your 5 minutes time frame, and you do what? You sell. You put your stop loss above the zone on that 5 minutes time frame. There's a zone the market will create on the source of the 5 minute time frame, and you do what? You sell. This will give us no less than 4 days to reward. If you reach 1% of your account, you make 4% of your account. So this is how we will approach market this coming week. Thank you for watching this episode, and I hope you take advantage of whatever you learn in these videos. Okay, if you are new crossing my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you are old returning subscribers, thank you for watching. Please like my video, share it so that other people will see this video. I thank you once more. This is Ugos FS signing out.